Imagine a quiet summer night in 1977 at Ohio State University. The Big Ear radio telescope is scanning the cosmos as it always does, searching for signs of life. On August 15th, something extraordinary happens. A powerful, narrowband radio signal bursts through the static, lasting just 72 seconds. Days later, volunteer astronomer Jerry Ehman reviews the data and spots a sequence 6 EQWJ5. He circles it and writes "Wow" in the margin. The WOW signal is born, a cosmic mystery that has haunted astronomers ever since. The signal came from the direction of Sagittarius, a star-rich region with no known planets or objects that could explain it. Even more intriguing, it was detected at 1420 MHz, the hydrogen line, a frequency scientists believe any intelligent civilization might use to communicate. The signal was up to 30 times stronger than the background noise, far more intense than anything Big Ear had ever recorded. It was a fleeting message in a cosmic bottle, a moment when it felt as though the universe itself had tried to get our attention. For over 40 years, the WOW signal remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. No one has ever detected it again. Was it a deliberate message, a cosmic accident, or something else entirely? The universe shouted once, and then fell silent. The WOW signal seemed to fit the profile of a cosmic calling card perfectly. What made the WOW signal so special? It was a narrowband radio signal, clean, specific, and unlike the broad noise of natural cosmic phenomena. Its strength rose and fell in a perfect bell curve, matching what you'd expect as Earth's rotation swept the telescope's view across a fixed point in space. The Big Ear's low-tech paper printouts allowed Jerry Ehman to spot the anomaly days later. But the most frustrating part? The signal was never heard again. Astronomers have pointed their best telescopes at that patch of sky for decades, but the cosmos has stayed silent. The source, whatever it was, either stopped transmitting or moved on. Some argue that a one-time signal is unlikely to be a deliberate message. The signal's origin near the star cluster M55 in Sagittarius only deepens the mystery. No sun-like stars are known in that immediate area. Was it a one-in-a-billion cosmic coincidence, or a perfectly aimed message we were lucky to overhear? The WOW signal remains a singular, tantalizing whisper in the static. Science demands explanations, and the WOW signal has inspired many. Some suggest it was Earth-based interference, a satellite, a military transmission, or a glitch. But the signal's protected frequency makes this unlikely. Another theory, a comet's hydrogen cloud. In 2017, astronomers proposed that a passing comet could have emitted radio waves at the hydrogen line, but this idea is controversial and unproven. The most thrilling possibility? An alien civilization reaching out. The signal's power, narrow bandwidth, and frequency all fit what we'd expect from an artificial source. Maybe it was a beacon, a cosmic lighthouse, and Earth just happened to be in its path for 72 seconds. Yet without more data, the WOW signal remains an enigma. Earth interference feels too coincidental. The comet theory is plausible but unconvincing. The alien hypothesis is extraordinary. But so is the evidence required. The WOW signal is a ghost in the machine urging us to keep searching. It's a cosmic puzzle that keeps us listening and wondering. The truth for now is out there, just beyond our reach. The WOW signal isn't the only unexplained sound from space. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are powerful flashes of radio energy lasting milliseconds, releasing as much energy as the sun does in a day. The first FRB, discovered by accident in 2007, was so strange that many thought it was a glitch. But more were found, confirming their real cosmic phenomena, likely from magnetars. In 2020, a narrowband signal dubbed BLC-1 seemed to come from Proxima Centauri, our nearest star. For a moment, scientists wondered if it was a message from a neighbor. But after careful analysis, BLC-1 was traced to human interference, a radio signal bouncing off something and mimicking an alien transmission. It was a letdown, but a reminder science demands skepticism and rigor. The search for alien life is like hunting for a needle in a cosmic haystack. We must rule out every possibility before declaring we've found the extraordinary. The universe is full of echoes, some natural, some mysterious, all challenging us to look closer. After decades of listening, are we any closer to answering, are we alone? Most scientists believe signals like FRBs are natural, products of a wild universe filled with exotic objects and unknown physics. But the WOW signal resists easy explanation, keeping the door open to the possibility of something artificial. As technology advances, we scan the sky with greater sensitivity and across more frequencies than ever before. Maybe we haven't found proof because we're not listening in the right way. What if aliens use lasers, neutrinos, or something beyond our imagination? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence requires patience and open minds. The wow signal and other cosmic echoes remind us how much we still have to learn. They invite us to look up and wonder, are other minds out there asking the same questions? For now, the universe keeps its secrets. But we keep listening, hoping for the day we finally hear a definitive hello from the stars. Until then, we wonder, and we wait.